Lazy way to make money online. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and let's start. One of it is called print on demand. So here is how it works. You design and sell custom merchandise through print on demand services like Printful or Teespring. So what happens is you go on this platform called Printful or Teespring. You come up with designs, eye-catching design, and every time a customer look at your design, like for example maybe you've written a word like I love you, but in a catchy way, in an artful way that it's enticing, and if someone buys that logo and they decide they want to put it on their hoodie or on their t-shirt, of course it's done automatically on this platform called Printful or Teespring, and of course, and you get paid at the comfort of your home, even when you're sleeping, because everything is being done automatically. All you need is just for you to upload the design. That's it, and that's how it works. You only work once. You put up the design, those artful design, and the rest is being done by the software on that platform called Printful or Teespring. Another way to earn money online, the lazy way, it's called e-commerce. E-commerce is very common right now. Everything is being done on e-commerce. For example, if you want to order food to be delivered to your home, of course everything you do it online. You order online. If you want for example to pay school fees, everything is being done online. If you want the most big online shops which are known worldwide, it's called Amazon, Alibaba, everything is being done online. So what happens is you set up an e-commerce store with drop shipping products and automate order fulfillment. So you set up a shop online. So what you need to do is you put up your products, the services online, and you put the prices and everything that is involved. So if every time a customer goes on this platform, they buy from you, everything is being done automatically. You don't need to do much. Your work is just to follow up. Is the online shop operating? Is there any problem? Are the customer getting their product or services on time? That's it. So this is another way to earn money online, the lazy way. The third way of earning money online is called remote call center. So you become a remote call center agent. So you work as a customer service representative for companies with the remote call center position. So the beauty about this is you work, you are your own boss. You work anywhere, anytime. It's up to you to decide. You have flexible work schedule. So you are in control of your time. It's up to you to decide how many hours you want to work with. Is it full-time, part-time? It's up to you. So this is another way of earning money, the lazy way. So another way to earn money is called sell digital products. So are you good at creating digital products? If you are, then this is a good way to earn money online, because this is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and yes, people are literally selling their skill set on this platform and making money, top dollars. You can end up earning you can start with earning like $50, and then remember, this is a trickle in way of earning money, because when you're starting out, of course, it's a little bit less, but as people get to know you, as you continue building products, and your brand, and getting more followers, then more people will buy your products, more people want to buy your digital product, and in the process you end up earning money. So for example, maybe when you started selling these digital products, you had like maybe 1,000 followers, but now as your brand grows on either on YouTube, on TikTok, you end up having like maybe 100,000 followers, or maybe have like 1 million followers. Of course, more people will buy those digital products that are on your platform, and you end up earning like $10,000, $20,000 per day, even per month, and much more. There are people who are earning millions, to be honest, just selling digital products, because they have this huge following on social media platform, and this big brand, and people are literally buying from him or her. So yes, so you create and you sell digital products such as printables, templates, or digital ads on platform like Etsy. If you know Canva and you're very good at creating those Canva templates, you can create those templates and sell them on your platform. Another way to earn money online is called social media sponsorship. How it works is you grow a social media following, then you earn money through sponsorship and brand collaboration. So how it works is simple. What you need to do, like for example, most of these content creators are doing, like you and I who are doing right now, is we are pushing content. For example, maybe I'm a content creator who likes to talk about cosmetic, skincare, and of course fashion, maybe how to make money online. I talk about finance. So what happened is I have these follow people who are listening to me, who are following my YouTube channel, who are following my TikTok channel, who are following me on Instagram, and they like my content and they're following me. So what happens is companies will look at me and like, okay, so you have this following and we're interested to do collaboration with you. Maybe they have maybe a finance product they want to launch in the market, so they come to a platform with someone who deals with finance and they're like, oh, can we do this collaboration? So what are your rates? So I'll tell them my rates, and once I give them my rates, then from there we come to an agreement, and then I promote those services or products on my platform. So when my target audience, my followers, buy those products or services on what I'm promoting, then this company get up their money back, and even me, I get my money back because I've been paid just to promote the product or services. And this is a lazy way of earning money online, because I am doing something which I like, so I don't see it as work. I'm just seeing it as me doing something I love. Another way to earn money online, the lazy way, is called participate in beta testing. So you get paid to test and provide feedback on new apps or software through beta testing platform. So what happens is, if a company wants to introduce a new product, a new app in the market, before they launch it, they are going to test it. They want to get feedback from people. How is this app? Is it engaging enough? Is it solving the problem that they're targeting? Are the customers experiencing any challenges when they use this app? All this feedback is very important. That's why they are doing this beta testing. So your work is just to go on this platform, which they do this type of work of beta testing. You are signing up is free of charge. You go through the process. You give them the feedback, what the companies are looking for, the challenges. If there is a positive or positive or negative of using the app, just tell them, and they'll use that information to make the necessary correction, and you get paid at the comfort of your home, just doing a few minutes work of answering feedback on something which you've been told to do, like for an hour, and you get paid. So another way to earn money the lazy way is called sell stock music or sound. So how it works is, you create and sell stock music or sound effects on platforms like Audio Jungle or Pond5. So what happens is, basically, you like to create music and you go on this platform, you upload that type of music. 10 years down the line, when people still are listening to that music and they want to use it personally, they buy from you. So you have done that work only once, but since that music is still on that platform, on Pond5 or Audio Jungle, and people like that music and they want to own it, they buy from you. So 10 years down the line, you're still earning money at the comfort of you for a work which you did only once, and you upload and still earning money. And that's how people earn money online. Another way to earn money online is called rent out your home. If you have an extra space, please consider renting it out on Airbnb. Don't let it become idle. Why? Because it's another way of earning money. Because if people are coming to your location and they see online that you are renting out that space and they like what they see, they will come and of course rent out that space from you, and of course you get paid at the comfort of your home just by renting out that space. That's simple money with the lazy way. You earn money the lazy way completely. Another way, okay, is called participating in affiliate programs. So how it works is, you promote affiliate products through your blog, website, or social media and earn commission on sales. So what happens is, you have these followers on your platform, for example YouTubers, for example bloggers, for example TikTokers, for example Instagrammers, Facebook page where you have huge number of followers, and they're following and they like your content and they're engaging with you. So brand will come to you and say, we want to work with you. Maybe these are products we want you to promote through your affiliate links. So every time you promote those products on your platform, and every time someone clicks through your affiliate link and they buy the product or services through your affiliate links, you end up earning a commission. That's how people earn money online too, through affiliate programs, especially YouTubers, TikTokers, and many other content creators. So you have done this work maybe once, but if this content is still up there on social media and it's still generating engagement and people are liking what you have put out there, you end up earning money every single day. Every day, even 10 years down the line, you end up earning money through your affiliate links, because people are clicking that affiliate link of yours. So every time they click on it, you are earning a commission. Every time they click on it and they buy that product, you earn a commission, and that's how people earn money online the lazy way. So yes, those are the 10 ways to earn money online the lazy way. So I hope you can get useful knowledge from this presentation. Good luck and God bless you. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye.